What's up, y'all? This is Rosa back with another video. And today, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Click the bell to be notified when I drop a video. So, this is a TikTok video that I seen yesterday, you guys. On maybae's life. She made this video, but I'm going to add one ingredient in there that she didn't have in her video. So basically, when y'all seen me on my Walmart video, y'all saw me add up these three. I had three of these. Here's two of them. Okay. And then the three. So we need these three. So this like a struggle meal for like when, you know, you ain't got nothing. And this how you got in your house. Was this. So I got this. And then I got the chicken. She didn't season her chicken, but I'm going to season my chicken and cut it up. I got the chicken tenderloins. Y'all saw that in the video. You also going to need some chicken broth to go in there. And you also going to need 2 cans of cream of chicken. So let's get started. Already preheated my oven to 350, you guys. The seasonings I'm going to use on there, she didn't put no seasoning on her chicken, so I'm going to be using garlic powder, a little bit of Tony Creole seasoning, the original, a little bit of black pepper, a little bit Stone Mill original salt and free. I'm also going to be using onion powder and a little bit of complete. So, I already washed my chicken off. Let me rinse my hands and let's get started. Just wash my hands. How everybody Tuesday going? This going to be dinner tonight. Thanks for everybody that came to the premiere of the Walmart video. So let's cut this up. I'm going to cut it up this seasoning. I'm going to cut it back this thick. Then she didn't add vegetables in hers. So that's the only thing. I cut it like this. I'm going to add some broccoli to go in it. Because I love vegetables. So, that's just the oven going off. I got the 2 packets of chicken tenderloins. So, yeah. Shout out to maybaelife. Y'all can go check her channel out. She got some good content over there. If I knew how to edit, I would put her on top of the screen. But I don't know how to edit, y'all. But I will have her channel name in the description box down below. And yeah, I'm just cutting up the chicken. I already washed it off. This gonna be dinner tonight. It's late, I know. Probably gonna have to do 2 parts to this video so y'all can see the aftermath of it when it get done. Y'all know my motto. I'm just cutting the chicken up, y'all. And I'm back at it again tonight, you guys, for the for my wash irons. So I've been grinding. If y'all can play my playlist for me, I appreciate y'all. Y'all know I always appreciate everyone who look out for your girl. You know, I'm just chopping these up, trying to hurry up. This is something quick, easy, and simple. I'm just, she didn't add no vegetables in hers, but y'all can go watch the full video on her page, on her channel. It's a TikTok video. So yeah, it's a TikTok video that she saw about this recipe, and then, you know, she called it her struggle life meal. So that's what I'm gonna call mine. You know, I'm always coming up with different ideas or different meals to prepare for my family when it's struggle time and it's hard out here, you feel me? So I'm trying to cut this chicken up. I already know this video is gonna be long. I got 3 more to cut up, y'all. Last, or 2 more pieces to cut up. And then we'll go season up our chicken. So I got all that, throw all the other ones away. So I'm just gonna season this chicken and put it in this bowl. Get all my chicken, and I use both packets of chicken. So I got all my chicken in there. Let me I'm gonna let y'all. Okay. Let me wash my hands real quick. I'm just going to show y'all the cooking process of it. Okay, got that out the way. Next, let's add our seasonings. The chicken is going to cook in the oven by itself. My black pepper, season it to your own tasting. You know, you want to season your food. So that's about enough black pepper. Complete seasoning. That's about enough. Ooh, I hate what this. I'm trying not to sneeze. Onion powder. Not that much. Tony. Okay, and last but not least, your garlic. That's what that. And then this, toss it around. Like that, right there. Okay, now we're gonna get the noodles, the chicken noodles. You gonna get your pan. The oven is already preheated. You gonna dump all of them in there. Even though this already got seasoning in it, I see why she ain't seasoning chicken. So let me know if y'all try this meal. I should about a four bag. It was only $1. Try this recipe. Cause you never know when your last meal gonna be. You feel me? And then this is whatever you got in your pantry. Okay. I know I should have got a smaller pan, but this is the pan I had. So you're gonna take your chicken, put it in there, mix the chicken up. She didn't add broccoli in hers, but you could I'm putting broccoli in mine. Just spread the chicken out. Y'all gotta stay tuned for part 2. Like I said, go check her channel out. She got a lot of content over there. I'm just putting all the chicken in there. Okay, let me throw this stuff away. Hold on. So we go to the next step. Let me wash my hands. Washing my hands. Put this dishwasher liquid in there. Okay, next we're gonna get the creamy chicken out. Remember? Hold on, let me get my broccoli out. That's the only thing she didn't put in hers was broccoli, but I'm gonna put this in here, the broccoli. But y'all can do it how she did it without the broccoli. I'm just adding broccoli in here. I gotta cut that one. Gotta cut that. Cut them. Let me cut these too. Let's cut now. If you want vegetables in yours, just do like I did. I mean, it's still gonna be like her video. I just added broccoli with mine. It's still the same recipe. Basically gonna let the chicken cook, the noodles, and the broccoli. Okay, got the broccoli in there. Now wipe this up. Okay, now get your cream of chicken, your measuring cup for your broth, chicken broth, you know, cream of chicken. You add that in there. You want all that out of there.